This is a huge mistake that people make in their trading all the time, and it's this. They show up every single day wanting to trade instead of trading when there's clear momentum. The first thing that you can do to be able to understand if there's momentum in the day or not is to look at, are we above the high of the previous day or are we below the low of the previous day? If the answer to that is no, like currently right now, we are inside the range of the previous day's candle, odds are it's going to be harder to see momentum. Odds are you're going to get a lot of bull moves that are going to drop and a lot of bear moves that are going to bounce. And it's going to be very hard to get consistent results out of your trading. These tend to be the days where people end up losing on a lot of trades because there isn't any clear momentum. Now, there are three things that I teach that I'm going to share with you right now that are going to help you to see a little bit clearer the momentum, but help you to have a little bit more consistency in your trading. And the number one thing is you've got to understand the trend. You've got to understand who's in control. The number two thing, you've got to be able to understand momentum. Momentum is strength. Momentum is telling me how strong the move is about to happen. So the trend is telling me which direction the move is going to go. The momentum is telling me how strong of a move are we about to have. The third thing now is you need to have a setup. And this setup is what you apply to these two things here. So your setup might be a bull setup or a bear setup based on your strategy. But without these three things here, you're going to struggle. And so focus on trend, then find the momentum. How strong is that momentum? And then apply your setup to that. So if we're looking at this right now, the trend, in my opinion, short term right now is to the bull side. So I've got a bullish momentum trend. Where's the momentum? Well, we're stuck inside the range of the previous day. So that's telling me the odds are there's not a whole lot of momentum yet. I would need to either wait for us to get some strong closures outside of the previous day's move or wait for a gap outside the previous day's move. That gives you that number two, the momentum. Then you can go ahead and apply your strategy and your setup to that momentum and trend. So don't make the same mistake as everyone else. Don't just show up and trade and try to make money. Trade when those three boxes are checked. Trade when you have the trend identified, when you see obvious momentum that's going to give you a big move to be able to hit targets, and then when it gives you a clear setup for you to get the best entry to take advantage of that move. Hopefully this helps. Love you guys. I'll see you later.